Working alongside experienced teammates has been the key to my professional growth. What truly sets Nifty apart is its supportive and friendly work environment. Hi, I am Amin Khan. A year ago, I stepped into Nifty IT Solution Ltd as an intern with just a dream. Today, I am proud to say I am living that dream as a full-time software engineer. I could not have made it this far without the guidance of our incredible mentors who believed in my potential. Working alongside experienced teammates has been the key to my professional growth. What truly sets Nifty apart is its supportive and friendly work environment. From day one, I have felt at home here, constantly learning, sharing ideas, and growing every day. Whether I am jumping from web development to mobile apps, the mental support and resources are always there. Plus, our expert QA team spots mistakes quickly, helping me improve my code. We embrace modern tech stacks as like React's cutting-edge features, GraphQL APIs, and more, so we can keep pushing boundaries. I am genuinely delighted to be part of this amazing team. Together, we are not just writing code, we are building future. And I can't wait to see how far we will go side by side. Thank you.